Salimafy. By the way, check out Salimafy's channel. He's doing good stuff.
What's up guys, Salimafy here with a new unboxing video of Alienware 510H headset. And this is like a, I think previous model was 310 and this is 510, which is like a much upgraded model. And it is like 7.1 audio surround sound technology, which is kind of good for surround sound like programs or games or other stuff. Good for maybe music stuff. And yeah, you can see like I bought the white option. I think there are like black and white option for the Alienware. It is very beautiful. It looks very nice. It looks very unique. Alienware do the thing like what they want to do. They do the unique stuff. And yeah, they have this protection seal. After I open this, the box will open. And that is very fantastic. Like they include only one thing to open the box, only just slide that and it will open. It has this pull-up microphone, which is from I think left side, yeah. And you guys actually hearing from the microphone itself right now, like from the Alienware microphone. I'm using this headset microphone as a like a also review, you can say, which is kind of decent. And there's also audio software which is comes with the Alienware headset itself. But once you plug it in, it will ask you for like you install the new device, and it will give you the program updates. And it has like this comfy ear cover things from the sides, which is very good. And I see that their design is actually reminding me of their desktop desktop systems, like, you know, those desktop case of Alienwares. They have this like circular kinda thing from their sides. And yeah, I'm opening the like protection like holders, I can say clips, or I can say. And as you can see, actually there are 4 modes for the headset to fit in your head. If you have a big head, you can just slide all to down, and it can just turn like I think 90 degrees, or yeah, maybe less than 90 degrees, but it can turn, which is very good. And there is the user manual. There's also 3 cable included. I will also include the descriptions to the description part of the YouTube. You can just check the description part. There are 3 cables, which is this for I think mobile and the other stuff, which uses 3.5 mm audio jack. And there is one for this is the one that is like supports the 7.1 technology. I think you can only use the 7.1 surround sound in the PC because, or I think the stuff that supports USB at least. And this is the switch for, let's say you have a desktop and they have this separate microphone and, you know, headset like audio, and that's good for that. And I think this is extra for protection, or maybe for the smell, I don't know. And it feels like a plastic, but it's like a good durable one, I guess. Like it looks very funny in the head, at least. If you guys want to also see me doing a really detailed review of this headset, you can just hit the like and comment about it and ask your questions, which is very makes sense for me to see if you have questions or not. And yeah, this is I think these are the user manual and the cards from the Alienware inside of that small box right now I'm trying to open, since I'm using only one of my hands, sorry. And yeah, yes, there's one card, and I think the other one is the user manual, and that's pretty much it, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, this is the unboxing video of Alienware headset. I'm glad you guys watching me right now. It's been so long, I think 5 days, and if you guys want to see more, hit the like and subscribe button, and hope to see you guys later, and have a nice day. Bye.